Hey guys, Teaira here, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a review. I'm reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer, and I'm reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. And I'm really excited about this because this isn't my shade, but this is the Fenty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Foundation, Longwear Foundation. And I couldn't really get with this foundation because it's too drying. And I already have dry skin, too mattifying. I need something hydrating. You know I like, if you follow me already, you guys know I like hydrating primers, hydrating foundations. So I was really excited when I heard that she was coming out with a hydrating foundation because my dry skin, we need it. I'm excited. I will be doing a weird test for you guys also, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it. And let's just get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on your thoughts on this foundation also, and if you're thinking about getting it, let's get into the video. So I'm doing a review on the new Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm really excited about this because when I saw it, I got a little excited because her other foundation, this foundation right here, the Pro Filt'r, it was just always, this isn't my shade by the way, but this was always too drying for me. It was too matte. I have dry skin. I can't deal with the matte foundations. I just don't do it. Rarely do I wear a matte foundation. That's if sometimes that matte foundation gives you like a flawless look, but I like, for the most part, my skin to look very natural and glowy, and I have really dry skin, so sometimes matte foundation can make my skin feel extra dry and just look extra dry, and it just doesn't work well together. Okay, so this one is a Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm gonna be reviewing this, and then I also got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer. I don't really wear a primer ever, but I mean, if it's a hydrating primer, sometimes I just throw it on just for that extra hydration. This is sold out online on Fenty. To do, it's a instant hydration soft silk finish extended makeup wear. It's a lightweight hydrating makeup primer for normal to dry skin that instantly nourishes with a silky smooth formula that keeps the skin comfortable all day while improving the extending foundation. So this is $32, and I'm just gonna try it on. You can't really do too much reviewing on a primer. I mean, I just feel like it either works or it doesn't, you know? You have to try it with the foundation that you use every day to really tell a difference. So I'm gonna be trying it on with the new foundation, so I'm not gonna really be able to give you guys a review on the exact primer. And this is a very like wet primer, and it definitely looks like it moisturizes the skin. I love the feel of this already because I have super duper dry skin. And I feel like this is definitely for me. Wow. I just like the look of this primer on my skin by itself if I'm not wearing any makeup. Cause it just looks like it's giving me that healthy glow. So now I'm gonna try I'm gonna try this shade because I think it's my shade. I put it on my hand, but I don't know. So this is gonna be available in 50 shades. August 15th. This is, what shade is this? This is 360. What you guys think? I don't know. This is the Fenty 350. This is more of a yellow undertone, like warm. It's more warm. Oh, that looks good. That looks good too. This one, this is 340. I don't know. I feel like no, that is actually too gray. I thought it was gonna work, but no, that's way too gray for me. Let's go with 350. That looked pretty much like the best shade for me. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and go in, and this is supposed to be a medium to full coverage foundation. I have not put makeup on in so long, probably 2 full weeks. And that is a little crazy for me. I feel like this would probably be better to blend out with the brush to get a little more coverage, and then blend it out with the beauty blender after. So So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Coastal Scents brush. This was like my first foundation brush. First impression. I think this is definitely a medium coverage. It's not full at all. But I think if you do another layer, then it would be. I feel like my forehead is so big because my natural hairline is out, and I'm like, ooh, she is a flathead. I'm actually liking the way it looks. It looks super wet. This foundation is super wet. So I want to say the foundation is $35 or $32. That's a good price range for foundation. I feel like if you have oily skin, this might not be the foundation for you. Definitely the soft matte longwear. But if you have oily skin, I think this is just a no for you, because I mean, I didn't set it yet, but it looks, I can kind of tell when I'm trying on the foundation just how it looks on the skin without setting it. It looks really wet, and I feel like it would definitely break. So this is a foundation that you have to set. You can't just not set this foundation because you're gonna look crazy. It works better when you set your face. So I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm gonna do a wear test. I do feel like you might have to conceal some, like if you have dark spots like around my mouth, I'm definitely gonna have to use a regular concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty. I like this concealer too, but this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 330. So I feel like around my mouth is so dark, and I have like a tiny mustache, I feel, but I don't wanna shave it or wax it. I've never waxed my face, and I would definitely be nervous too, but I think I do wanna get a facial. I want a dermaplane. But I don't know how that is. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if you've ever done that. Yeah, I feel like this foundation is my perfect skin match. Wow. And I don't feel like this oxidizes much because I know the matte one oxidizes, and you just never know. When you put it on, it's gonna turn a whole different shade, so you gotta let it sit for a while. But I feel like this one is not turning it's not oxidizing, so I'm here for it. The other one was pretty tricky when it comes to getting your perfect shade. This shine doesn't bother me at all. I know some people would freak out, especially if you have oily skin. But I'm gonna take my Huda powder to set. So I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty highlighter in Mo Money. This highlighter is so beautiful. So this is the finished look, you guys. This is the foundation, how it's looking. It actually looks really good. I like it. She's cute. I don't know what's gonna happen. I really don't. I don't have any words. Can't really explain much because I don't know. This foundation is up in the air with me, so I don't know. We're gonna see that. I'm gonna do a wear test right now. It is kind of late. It's 3:47 p.m. So let's see. I'll be back in a couple hours. She looks good though. So right now I'm liking it. I like the way it applied. It looks right. And I'll be back to see what's going on with some answers and some results. I'm back. Okay, so this is my face. It's like 10, hold on. So right now it is 9:36 p.m. I'm tired. I have to film something else after this, and I have to pack. I have a super early flight in the morning, but this is how my makeup is looking. I went out, did some things, came back. It still looks good. The only problem I'm having right now is the creasing around my mouth. But honestly, I have creasing around my mouth all the time, every type of foundation. So I can't really blame this on Fenty because that's just me. That's just every single foundation. My face looks really good. I'm not oily because I don't get oily, but it looks really good. I mean, I'm still put in place. I could like take a bomb photo right now and it look poppin'. And obviously my camera is in, I want to say it's in 4K right now. So you guys are seeing me in 4K. You will see everything, every flaw, and I feel like it looks really good. I will definitely be using this foundation again because I don't feel dry. I don't feel like cakey. I don't feel none of that. So that's always a plus with me. I would give it a out of 10. For dry skin girls, I would give it a 9. I would give it a 9. If you have dry skin, I would definitely give it a 9. If you have oily skin, I don't know. I can't vouch for y'all because honestly, it was a little scary putting it on because it was super wet looking until I applied the powder. But I feel like once you apply powder, you Gucci kinda. But yeah, so that's my review for the Fenty Beauty. The new Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longer Foundation. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but if you guys want to check it out, it is available on the 15th. I think it's a go if you have dry skin. Y'all know I have dry skin. If y'all are with me, I would definitely check this out. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if it helped you out. Let me know if you're gonna purchase this foundation or you're gonna stick to the soft matte. I don't know. Let me know if the soft matte worked for you and if you're dry skin. I don't know. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.